Back to this tutorial. I'm going to show you how to create your own NFT and how to mint your first NFT. Now, what is an NFT? You all know that NFT. Let me show you what NFT is. Okay, now this is examples of an NFT here. We all know that NFT is non-fungible token, and that is a blockchain based token that each represents a unique asset like a piece of art, a digital content. You can see this is an NFT. This thing someone designed it. You can also design this on your own. It depends on how creative you are. These are the examples of NFT. Let me show you. These are the examples of NFT. Is an or a base art or content. And let me show you another one here. These are the NFT. You can see it's just like a token, just like a token. So how do you create your own? So it's very simple. Let me show you how to create your own NFT. Once you go to your Chrome browser, you can just say how to create NFT. Now we have different apps that allow you to create NFT for free. So now I'm going to use this app here now and say how we create our own NFT and mint our NFT for free. Now they ask us to join. Now let's put our email. Let's put our email here. We'll put in our email. Sorry guys. Now click on join now, and let's see how we create our own NFT for free and how we be able to mint it. It's very easy. Once you are creative, you'll be able to create it. Now, so you are asked to open your email. The next thing is go to your email. Once you go to your email, go and open it. Once you open your email there, verify it, and you start creating your NFT with them for free, and they'll show you how to mint and everything. So it's guys, it's very easy. Just go to your home browser and follow the process. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share, and drop a comment.